Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. Let's proceed with some more sums where we are dividing monomials. So here we are. Now, remember in the previous lecture children, we divided polynomials by monomials. Now we are going to learn how to divide polynomials by binomials. Y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. So, we'll have to take 2 together now. Always consider 2 together. In the previous one, we considered one monomial at a time. Now we'll have to consider binomials, 2 of them together each time. So, multiply y plus 4 with something which helps me eliminate the first one. Together, it's not possible to eliminate both. See, it is possible, but many a times it may not be possible. So, one at a time, okay? So, here, what do I multiply to get a y square out here? Another y. So, y into y makes it y square plus y into 4 makes it 4y. Alright? So, what is my factor? It was 5. What is it that I worked out? Y square plus 4y. That's from here. Put a negative sign that applies to the whole thing. Right? So, y has been applied to this. So, y square minus y square gets eliminated, becomes a 0. This minus sign applies to 4 as well. So, it becomes minus 4y. 10 minus 4 makes it 6. Sign of the bigger number, which is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 and y continues. Bring down the next one, which is a plus 24. So, y plus 4 into 6 and not 6y children, because I don't want a y square. I just want a y and I have a y in my divisor. So, 6 into y makes it 6y plus 6 into 4 makes it 24. So, this is what I add. So, it's a plus 6. This is for my working, which is 6y plus 24. A negative sign attached. Minus 6y and plus 6y get eliminated. This minus sign goes to 24 as well. 24 minus 24 makes it a 0 again. Alright, so my quotient is y plus 6. My remainder is 0. And that part is my working. Let's move on to the next sum. P square plus 7p minus 5 inside, p plus 3 outside. Place for working. P plus 3 needs to be multiplied by p so that I get this p square. Children, consider 1 at a time. P into p makes it p squared plus p into 3 makes it 3p. So, this is what I enter as my quotient. This is for my working. Negative sign applies at both the places. Eliminated. 7p minus 3p makes it 4p. Carry down minus 5. Now, p plus 3 into 4, because I don't have a degree on p. So, 4 into p makes it 4p plus 4 3s are 12 This goes as my quotient. My remainder is 4p plus 12. Negative sign applies at both the places. 4p and minus 4p eliminated. And here I have minus 12 and minus 5 makes it minus 17. Correct? So my quotient here is p plus 4. My remainder here is minus 17. If you see the sum, this is a little jumbled. That means you need to write the degree of x in the ascending order, or rather, descending order. So 4x cube, then comes 2x square, and then comes 3x. And children, since the degree is diminishing, we add a 0 out here to show that there is no x at the end. Alright, so let's start solving the sum in this manner. X minus 4, 4x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 0. Alright, my space for working. X minus 4 needs to be multiplied by 4x square. Only then will we get the degree of cube. So 4x square into x makes it 4x cube. Minus sign in the middle. 4 into 4 makes it 16x square. So this goes as a part of my quotient, which is 4x square. This goes as a part of my working, which is 4x cube minus 16x square. As a part of division, minus sign applies to the whole expression. This becomes 4x cube, gets eliminated, comes down as 0. This minus applies to this minus and minus become plus in multiplication. So plus 16x square and plus 12x square makes it plus 18x square. Bring the 3x plus 3x down. Now, second part of my working, x minus 4 multiplied by 18x, only then will I get the degree of square on top. 18x square minus 18 into 4 is 72x. Goes 18x plus 18x goes as a part of my quotient. This goes as a part of my working. Minus applies to the whole expression. This becomes minus 18x square, gets eliminated. This minus applies here, it becomes plus. So it becomes plus 75x. Bring the 0 down. What happens next? Third step, x minus 4 into 75. Just 75, children, because the degree of x is 1. 75 into x makes it 75x. Minus 75 into 4 makes it how much? 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30. 75 plus 75 goes as a part of my quotient. This part, which is 75x minus 300, goes as a part of my working. Minus sign applied to all. This becomes minus 75x. Eliminated. This minus goes here. This becomes plus 300. In my quotient, I have 300. So, ultimately, my quotient is 4x square plus 18x plus 75. Remainder is 300. That's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless.